Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out, 2005 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. Nice car. Gently treated, alloy wheels, privacy glass. You got a moonroof, roof rack up on the top. Like I said, Touring Edition. So we got the power sliding doors, both sides, and we've got the power lift gate too. Of course, keyless entry into the car. Look at that. You got stone go on this vehicle. Nice rubber floor mats. These seats will fold down flat into the floor. Same with those two middle ones. That down. Front wheel drive 6-cylinder. It's got a clean auto check. Local trade-in. Like I said, it's gently treated, lady driven. Older lady that drove this vehicle just back and forth to church on Sunday. Don't believe that, but it's been nicely maintained. How nice and clean these quad seats are. Nice gray cloth. The rear seats. That's where these seats will disappear down into the floor. You got a nice sleek dash line, AM, FM, CD, 6-changer. Climate control. You got rear climate control, driver and passenger climate control. Cup holders, cruise control and radio control. It's on the steering wheel. You got power windows, door locks, mirrors, power vent. There's your headlights and analog gauges. Nice van. It's missing something. You know what it's missing? You better get down here and buy this one. It won't last. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.